Space, the final frontier. This is my lamp in my ceiling. Just kidding. Anyway, another review. This time I like to talk about one of my favorite things in my collection that I got it last week, and it's from the Star Trek motion picture, and it's called Undiscovered Countries, and I'm gonna show you the one ship that I like very much of the Klingon enemy, the bird of prey. Ladies and gentlemen, Diamond Select Bird of Prey. This is a new mold, and I want to tell you, this is one of the best molds they made since the first one. It is great, it is great, it is great, and it can fold the wings! Flight mode, yay! And attack mode, ouch! It hurts. The details on this ship is fantastic. I really like it. Shading, color, everything here, even the writing of the Klingon, the symbols, everything is well placed, well designed. Even the wings underneath, the predator wings, the colors like feathers. Boy, I really like it. And even in the back, nice colors, nice design, and it makes nice sound. Because I have a very strong light here, it's hard to see, but it has lights.
I am constant as the northern star. Warrior to warrior, you do prefer it this way, don't you? I can see you, Kirk. Can you see me? Cry havoc, and let's slip the dogs of war.
Very beautiful. I like the way that you can fold the wings. This is the first time that the Diamond Select make it. I wish they can make the folding goes further up, like in landing, and then it was a perfect ship. But the detailing here is great. You can see it even in the bridge, underneath the bridge. Very beautiful design. Now, it comes with a very big and beautiful display stand with the Klingon symbol. I wish it was in red, so it could be more beautiful, but it's okay. It's on a ball joint, and I can pose the ship. And it looks like, in this position, it's in flight mode. Now, let's put it aside, and I'll show you the first variation of the Klingon ship that Diamond Select did. This is the old one. It comes with a stand of Star Trek. This is from, I think it's from the second movie, with the Genesis program. What you can see is less details on the ship, even on the bridge. It comes with 3 buttons of sound, and it makes lots of sound. This is the proton torpedoes, and that's it. Wings don't fold. You can only see the afterburner and the proton torpedoes. Lasers are, well, soft plastic, so you see what happened? They bend in a very crooked way. But still, it's a nice piece. But this baby is the mother lode. You can see the differences. No? The color scheme, everything. Even in the back, here the afterburner, I don't know if you can see it quite well. Let's unplug it. It's dirty. I like it. Here, only green color, nothing else. So if you are a Star Trek fan and you like the Bird of Prey, I really recommend this piece of artwork. It is very beautiful. I have nothing bad to say about it. I really like it. I like the design, the color, and the addition of the folding wings, and that the weapons are hard and we have some lightning and great sound. It is very strong. I'm waiting for the Class B USS Enterprise, and I'm waiting for the Enterprise from All Good Things, from the motion series, not the motion picture, but from the series, from the Next Generation. And when I'll get them, I will happy to do a review about them. Anyway, guys, Star Trek, Bird of Prey, I hope you like it. If you have something to say, to remark, leave comment in the comment section below. Yep, you know, downstairs there. And I'll see you soon in another review. See ya.